Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Sherry Barrett from sherrybarrettart.com, and today we're going to be making these beautiful three-dimensional words. I am decorating an event coming up, and I'm using rainbow colors, and I thought this would be a super fun way to go about decorating the room with these words. And I'm going to teach you how to do it today. I'm really glad Linda stopped me at church to tell me that she watched my first episode and it got her really excited, and she wanted to make the acrylic pour with her 4-year-old granddaughter. And I'm so glad she told me because I never considered a 4-year-old. I don't know why I didn't, but of course I hope to come up with things that you'll be interested in whether you're 4 or 84. If you want to do acrylic pours with your kids, you do not have to buy Floetrol. You can just dilute your paintings with water. I am an artist, so I'm concerned about archival quality art, but when you're doing things with 4-year-olds, it needs to be disposable. You don't want to spend a lot of money. So just dilute your paints with water and pour them on cardboard, or there's even a guy on YouTube who just pours on regular paper. You will have to put something under your paper to give it integrity for the paint to flow around on, but definitely do that. For this project, all you're going to need is some table salt, costs 50 cents at the store, white glue, any white glue will do, any PVA glue. What's most important is the what is this called? I don't even know. Anyway, so you can draw with it. You might like a pencil if you're a perfectionist and you want to get it perfect before you go for it. I have these praying watercolors. These are really great for students and artists alike. They have the rainbow colors that I'm going for, plus brown and black. And you don't want 18, 24 watercolors. It's too many choices to make. This is great. You can mix any colors you don't have over here. That's what these little compartments are for, so you can get some blue and green and make your turquoise color over there. You'll also want some clean water and water that you'll use to clean your brush. You always want to have clean water around because your yellow in particular is very susceptible to other colors. It can get contaminated very easily, and then you'll be frustrated. You'll have to use a paper towel to wipe out the yellow until whatever color you added to it comes out. And that's frustrating because you feel like you're wasting paint. But for this activity, if you want to go ahead and write with a pencil first, go for it. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, so I'm just going to go right ahead and write with my glue. You can do an abstract, you can do your house and a tree, whatever you want to do. I am doing words today because I need words. I did not open this up all the way. I want a big fat line, so I want it nice and open. And that's much bigger than I ever would have made with just a pencil, so I'm kind of glad that I did that. Now the next thing is you'll want to put your paper on a tray or a piece of newspaper or wax paper because we're going to get salt everywhere. Now I have some leftover salt from a previous project that I just put in these empty shampoo bottles because I don't want to waste food. So now we're just going to cover our glue with the salt, and we'll be generous. And it's kind of fun to use your handwriting. If you don't like your handwriting, you can always use a template. They have lots of them in the scrapbooking department. Just, you'll want to measure how wide your paper is. Figure out how many letters are in your word. So like my word is love, there's 5 letters. So I would want to put my V in the middle of the paper and then make my words go out from there. Okay, fortunately I have another little salt bottle here. Okay, and once I don't see any glue, and I'm sure I filled everything in, I'm just going to gently pat on it. And what this does is it forces the salt into the glue and the glue into the paper so that we get a really nice strong adhesion. Okay, and then we will just shake off the excess salt. And I just give it a little tap in every direction to make sure everything has fallen off. And when I'm happy with it, I just move this out of the way. And I'll turn this so you can see the words. Now, with watercolors, if you don't have watercolors, you can dilute tempera paints, or you can dilute acrylic paints, or if you have food coloring in your kitchen, the kids can use the food coloring bottles and just drop drops right onto here, or you can. I also hope, I am not always crazy about the dumb art that they give kids to do, so I'm hoping that these projects I give you will enjoy as well. And one thing that's super fun about this is, maybe your grandkids are coming for a visit. You can make their name on a paper, and then they can put it on the door of the bedroom where they're sleeping. You can use, what's it called, like poster putty, like you used in college to hang up your posters. It won't harm your walls. And to know if your brush is clean, it should come off a clear water droplet when you put it against the top. So that's what artists are doing when they do this. They're trying to see, is it clean? Yeah, it's clean. Now, I forgot, I like to use yellow first because it is so muddy. And I don't want other colors to muddy a bowl, is what I should say. I don't want other colors messing this up. But the other fun thing about yellow is you can put other colors by it and they'll mix nicely, right? So if I put blue by this, what color am I going to get? Green. That's right. Good job. So if you want yours to be a solid color, you can do that. I am just having fun and being crazy and adding a bunch of different colors here and there. I don't know if that'll make it difficult to read or not. We'll find out. I'm trying to stick it near the yellow because I want to get some of those fun greens happening when they converge. Now, if you put too much water, you can get a blob. The water can force the salt and glue to run. I've done that before. It's not tragic, but you just might not like that to happen on yours. So take it easy with the water. I did get some natural greens happening, but I wanted a little more, so because my paintbrush is kind of dirty, I am dipping in the dirty water instead of the clean. And I don't want to introduce salts back into my paints, so I try to make sure I get the salt off if I can. I don't even know if I'm succeeding. And really, I'm just touching the color. I'm not even, I'm not stroking along like you would if you were painting. I'm just touching and letting it run in. Touch and let it absorb into there. And I think I just want to keep it to these three colors. I think it's looking kind of nice like this. And you can use any colors you like. Use your favorite colors to get the look that you want. Oh, I do like that this is showing up on the black. I haven't done one on black yet, so I'm enjoying seeing how this turns out. And I decided I really like how the yellow is showing up on here. So that's it. I think I'm done. That's how you make a word. And it looks like puffy paint, and really it's glue and salt and watercolor paints. I hope you enjoyed this project. If there's something that you ran into troubles with, let me know and I'll help you out. If there's something you've seen on YouTube or Pinterest that you don't know how they did it, let me know. We'll see if I can figure it out. But for today, I hope you have great results with your salt, glue, and paint project. My name is Sherry Barrett. I hope you have a great week.